Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTabs CS Card plugin into your CS Card store. Throughout the series, we'll walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the plugin. And now, let's get started. In this video, we are going to move to part 1 of the configuration step, which is the mandatory configuration. Before we start, please note that you can find the full documentation for this part inside PayTabs support portal under the article called the CS Card Plugin Integration Manual. And now let's move forward. From the integration manual over here, navigate to step 2, configure the integration method, and inside this article you will find part 1, getting started with the mandatory configuration. Now this solution article is dedicated to walk you through an informative step-by-step process to configure your mandatory configuration. So let's walk through these steps together. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to your CS Card admin panel. From the admin panel or the dashboard over here, navigate to the top navigation menu and click on Administration drop-down menu. Inside this drop-down menu, you will find an option called Payment Methods. Click on it and it will redirect you to the payment method page. Inside the payment method page, after that we walked through the installation, you should now see the PayTabs option over here and you will see the setting icon over here. Click on the setting icon and it will show you edit and delete. In this case, we are going to click on edit. Now this will redirect you to this page, which will show you the general settings, which we are not looking for in the meantime, but what we are looking for in the meantime are the configure. Here you will find the configuration page for your CS Card PayTabs plugin. Now, the mandatory option that we need to fill in are 3 things: your endpoint region, which is the country your account is based on. Maybe it's the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and you can find this information inside your merchant dashboard, your profile ID, and your server key. Now, to start using PayTabs plugin inside your store, at least you need to fill out these 3 information: your endpoint region, the profile ID, the server key. And all of these 3 information you can get from your merchant dashboard. If you need to learn more about how to get these information, you can see inside the solution article over here that we provided you with 3 other solution articles to get each of these information. For example, if you want to know your endpoint region, you can check our solution article, What is my region endpoint URL? And if you want to know your profile ID, you can check our solution article, How to get your account information from PT2 dashboard. The third thing, which is the server key, and in this case you can check our solution article, How to get my authentication integration API keys. Here, if you want to learn more about what is profiles and the difference between a test profile and live profile, we highly recommend you check our solution article, What is test versus live profile. Now, by filling these 3 information, now you have configured the mandatory configuration for your CS Card plugin. All what you need to do now is to click on save and you are ready to go. See you in the next part.